Hi friends, today let's unbox one LED projector. This LED projector is from Deeplee. Let's see the specification of this one. Check this is the specification. It says that support resolution 1920 into 1080 pixels and its native resolution is 320 into 240 pixels, just like that. And it says that its light is LED. You can read this all. Okay, let's unbox this one. Wow, this contains a charger, one remote control for this one, and a video output cable. It have a user guide. This for the user guide for this, and a mini projector. Look, this is a small LED projector I can hold in my hand. Look, let's see its port and the function of this one. Okay, it have a micro SD card slot and a 5-volt input. That's a small micro USB port, and you have a headset output. You have an audio video output. This one is a remote sensor, I think so. At the left side of this projector you can see a DC input, HDMI port, a USB port and an on-off button. You don't have an inbuilt battery inside, so you have a AC adapter for this one. Okay, and at the top side you can see a lot of buttons. This is the power button. You can see LED light over here. There will be some other button over here. We can see the function of this button while operating the system. You can see lens at the front side. You can zoom in and out this lens. Look. This was the speaker of this LED projector. Let's see how it works. You can reduce the screen size. Look. This is the way you can reduce and increase your screen size. Look. This was the clarity of the picture when it is in dark. When I switch on my light, let's see how it look like. Yeah, pretty cool. I think it's a pretty cool stuff for $45. I bought it from Amazon.com. Okay friends, thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe and comment.